Hey guys, Aaron Williams here at MarineMax Jupiter on the all-new 2026 SDX 270 by Sea Ray. This boat here is equipped with a 300 horsepower Mercury V8, pushing this boat up to 50 miles an hour while remaining quiet and fuel efficient. They've completely updated the layout of this boat here. Great big sun pad on the back, and then they've taken all of our batteries and battery chargers and put them over here, as well as put the freshwater shower on this side as well, so you can rinse off that salt water once you get back into the boat, or just spray everything down. But really convenient area to reach in, turn your battery switches on. Fusion control remote here and a charger, so no matter where you're sitting in the boat, you have some control of that as well. Walking into the boat here, you can see got a nice in-floor cooler or just wet storage box. Nice little safety door to keep the kiddos and maybe the pets inside of the boat here. Now, did change up the seating. As you can see, we have a new pattern on the seats here. Great big L-shaped seating area over here. And of course, we have storage under here and over here on this side as well. Great big storage area. Throw all your paddle boards and your toys inside of there. The backrest does switch down to position, so you have a forward-facing seat or an aft-facing seat. And then same with the driver's helm seat here. What I like about this boat is it has a great big wide seating area right here. So if you want to have both you and your co-captain sitting together and enjoying the breeze and the drive. We did equip this boat here with dual SIMRAD screens. Of course, we have all of our hard switches right here and our Mercury digital throttle. Really giving you a great position to control the boat from. And what's new for the 2026 model here is you can see they've redesigned the entire helm area and windshield. So nice big curved windshield, really gives you a lot of protection, but great visibility. And then on the boat here, as you can see, they did do a head area, but you also have a nice little seating area. But if you're using that area to get changed and get ready for dinner while you're out on the water, it really does provide a lot of space for you down there. And if you want to throw the kiddos down there so that way they can get out of the sun for a little bit, take a nap, they have that access down there. For the co-captain on this side, we do have a little storage compartment in our Fusion head unit, giving the co-captain full control. We do have a small storage area under here for our teak tables for the bow and the cockpit. And then when on those rainier days, we do have, when it's rainy or windy, we can really lock this thing down and block all the wind from coming into the cockpit there. Now, continuing with this new design of the SDX 270, great big seating area up front. It's a lot different than what they've done in the past, really maximizing the space up here and giving you a really nice bow access. So if you were at the sandbar and you're wanting to board the boat from here, you have a boarding ladder that folds out. And then you've got a really big area with sea deck on top, so you can step right onto the boat and not have to worry about damaging any of your cushions up here. Really just gives you a good area to enter and exit the boat. We have chargers and cup holders all up front here, so no matter where you're sitting, you can always be plugged in and have a nice beverage next to you. All right, guys, so that was our quick walkthrough on a few of my favorite features on this brand new Sea Ray SDX 270. If you want to see this boat or others like it in the lineup, please come on down to MarineMax Jupiter and ask for Aaron. We'll hopefully get you guys out on the water.